Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Fluent channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and sometimes a little confusing. I'm Zoya.
Hello, Zoya. Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is serious. Very serious, but also a bit funny.
Exactly. We're talking about confusing English words, words that look similar but mean completely different things.
Yes, these words cause mistakes, panic, drama, and sometimes teachers cry.
Oh, Mr. Fluent, don't scare them. Let's start with the first pair borrow versus lend. Borrow means you take something, lend means you give something.
Right. Example, Zoya, can I borrow your pen? And Zoya says, Yes, Mr. Fluent, I can lend it to you.
Perfect. Next, desert versus dessert. One has no food, the other has too much food.
Yes, desert, 1S, is a hot, dry place. Dessert, 2S, is sweet, delicious, and makes Mr. Fluent very happy.
Okay, next pair lose versus loose. Lose means to not have something, loose means not tight.
For example, I always lose my keys, and my shirt is loose. But please, don't mix them. English students everywhere will scream.
Last one affect versus effect. This one is serious. Affect is usually a verb, effect is usually a noun.
Example, rain affects my mood. The effect of the rain is sadness, drama, pure drama.
Let's review quickly borrow, lend, desert, dessert, lose, loose, affect, effect.
You did great today. These words are tricky, but now you understand them.
Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.